Kia ora, howdy! Welcome back to Indonesia.com, and I'm saying hi from Rotorua this time. It's been an awesome day. Thank you, everyone. Welcome. So we are at Rotorua now. We are going to stay here at the Rydges, formerly known as the Holiday Inn here in Rotorua. Okay, let's go check in. Well, I already got the keys because we did the check-in before. We just go out, get some stuff, and coming back so we can show you the place to you guys. Hi there. So that's the lobby area. You definitely have a good place inside. That's where the cafe is, and our room is somewhere here in this tower. And we are heading that way. So this is a play zone. That's where you can get some drinks, and that's where we're heading to the pool. I'm not going to do it right away, but I might be doing it today. Okay, that's the pool, and I think it's a heated one, so the pool will be closed for cleaning. But other than that, it remains open. You can also get the towel here. All right, can't wait. We're going up because my room is on 819, I think. Let's go to the room. It's a beautiful day, isn't it? Oh, that's lovely. All right. Here we are. Yoo-hoo. Ta-da. Kia ora, howdy. Welcome back to Indonesia.com, and I'm saying hi from Rotorua this time. How is everybody? The room is quite packed, and we are in the holiday mood. Yay! Welcome back again, and this time I'm going to take you around to the room where we are spending some nights, 2 nights to be exact, 3 days, 2 nights here in Rotorua at the Rydges, formerly known as the Holiday Inn. Ready to come and join me to have a little tour of the room, as always, and reviewing it. Stick around then. And the room is a bit messy because it's for 4 of us staying here, but it's quite complete. You can have all the condiments, you know, all the free tea, coffee, and hot chocolate here for you to enjoy. You got your mugs, you got your glasses, you got your wine glasses, you got a water jug, coffee machine, espresso here, water boiler, and obviously the fridge. And you also got your ropes for you to use because they also have a heated pool outside, open up until 9:30 p.m. You got your slippers, your hair dryer, safety box, and the ironing board. Nice, eh? And this is a 2 double bed for tonight's here at the Rydges, or formerly known as Holiday Inn. This is what I love so much. They have the firm pillow and the soft one. Ta-da! Guarantee for a good sleep after a crazy day at Rotorua. Welcome, welcome. So we are at Rotorua now. We are going to stay here at the Rydges, formerly known as the Holiday Inn here in Rotorua. Okay, let's go check in. Well, I already got the keys because we did the check-in before. Just go out and get some stuff. I'm coming back so we can show you the place to you guys. So this is a play zone. That's where we can get some drinks, and that's where we're heading to the pool. I'm not going to do it right away, but I might be doing it today. Okay, that's the pool, and I think it's a heated one, so the pool will be closed for cleaning. But other than that, remains open. You can also get the towel here. All right, can't wait. We're going up because my room is on 8:19, I think. Let's go to the room. It's a beautiful day, isn't it? All right. Yeah. Alrighty, here we are. Yoo-hoo! Ta-da! Kia ora, howdy! Welcome back to Indonesia.com, and I'm saying hi from Rotorua this time. How is everybody? The room is quite packed, and we are in the holiday mood. Yay! Welcome back again, and this time I'm going to take you around to the room where we are spending some nights, 2 nights to be exact, 3 days, 2 nights here in Rotorua at the Rydges, formerly known as the Holiday Inn. Ready to come and join me to have a little tour of the room, as always, and reviewing it? Stick around then. We decided to stay for 2 nights during our 3-day stay here in Rotorua at the Rydges. Well, basically there are a lot of choices, but then because we're looking for the room big enough for the 4 of us who are now busy eating. So we got this room with 2 double beds facilities, and obviously this is perfect for the 4 of us because we basically have 2 young 2 adults and then 2 teenagers, and that perfectly fits the room. So as you know, we have this lovely bed, and then the bed is nice and comfy and big enough for both of us and the 4 of us there. I also love this lovely pictures that I have, really bring up the colors in the room. As always, you have your in-phone room. You have some of the signage for you here, just to make sure that no one is, you know, coming to the room and just staying away. And for the breakfast, we didn't get the breakfast package from the hotel because, you know, we've been thinking of spending and exploring restaurants here in the area. But you can definitely have a breakfast as well as in-room dining here and this is what they have. So basically, I think the big breakfast will cost $36. American breakfast comes in $33. Omelette is $26. And you have other as well, like continental breakfast for $28. And some drinks for you to enjoy. It's quite a lot. You also have these lovely notes. It is beautiful cover, the Rydges pen for you to use. And this is our 2 double bed for tonight's here at the Rydges, or formerly known as Holiday Inn. This is what I love so much. They have the firm pillow and the soft one. Ta-da! Guarantee for a good sleep after a crazy day at Rotorua. And you got 2 beds and 2 sofa here as well, so you can definitely relax in the room. This is the view that we have in our from our room. Basically, it's showing you the surroundings, residential areas. And I think, yeah, that's our car. We parked our car right underneath. When we came, slightly late in the evening, in the afternoon yesterday, it was quite packed. So you basically have to look for parking lots outside and then on the other side of the tower as well. But that's, I think, quite comfy. I mean, quite spacious for everyone. So you can definitely open the window to get extra fresh air. But once you open it, then the air conditioner will automatically off. Alright, so we've been very lucky to get an extra holiday because of the Queen's birthday that is now becoming and observed as one of the holidays here in New Zealand. And that gives us an extra Monday, which is the September 26th to be the holiday. And that means that we can go on a long weekend and we can have like Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. So, long story short, we decided to go to Rotorua because we haven't been up here, and then there are a lot of activities. The weather is getting nicer, and while we have the time, why not, right? So, as we decided to come here, first thing we find is definitely the hotel to stay, and then a lot of entry tickets or access to a lot of activities that we have in Rotorua, because I guess Rotorua is very famous for becoming one of the most favorite destination in New Zealand, particularly in the North Island. But before I take you to different activities, let's take a look at the room. And people are so busy with the food. We're just hungry. You get your flat screen TV, and that's the Sky Movies premiere. So a lot of channels that you can definitely enjoy as well. So that's another solar that I talk about. Now let's take a look at the other facilities. You have the whole rows for you to put your stuff. We got bags and bags and bags, shoes and shoes and shoes. And then this is the free stuff that you can definitely enjoy. You got your free coffee, free tea, free hot chocolate with coffee machine, water boiler, glasses, water jug, wine glasses, more glasses, and obviously the fridge here to put your stuff. You got your hangers, you got your bathrobe, 2 in the room, you got 2 slippers that you can definitely use as well. Hair dryer for you after all the swimming session, and obviously the safety box. Ironing board, and the iron is obviously ready for you if you wanted to use that. And as always, that's the standard of the evacuation instruction for you to know and understand. And here's the bathroom. So we got the standard bathtub one with the shower and obviously hot water and cold water. And I really love this series of hand and body wash, shampoo as well as conditioner. And what we have here is the hand and body wash as well, and the body lotion. This one is coming from the soap series. Smells so good, I like it. And so fresh. You can also get the dental kit. By the time we arrived, the dental kit is not here, but then we went down to the receptionist, and then we just grabbed them from the receptionist. You get your usual kit in here, your makeup. This is cute. Your makeup towel, and then your face towel, and some hand towels, extra tissues, more power outlets, and obviously all the towels that you need. We have 4, perfect for all of us, and a toilet. So that's the room that we have for tonight here at Rotorua. What do you think? Oh, yeah, we have the working table as well, with a lot of with more power outlets in there. It's a bit packed with stuff and food, so that's why I'm not showing you that, because my kids are busy eating. But anyway, we paid for about 460 New Zealand dollars. That's around 4.6 million rupiah for 2 nights for 4 people. So I have to say this is quite a bargain here in Aotearoa. And then noting that we're coming at the very, very busy time, the long weekend for everyone. No wonder that the hotel is packed. And as I showed you before, they also have pool, they also have gym. Gym is 24 hours open. You can definitely access that with your card. And then the pool is closing at 9:30 or 10 p.m. because it's heated pool, so it's good. And yeah, for the other activities, you can definitely wait for more videos from me, okay? So thank you so much for watching. See you on the next adventure, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you've been to Rotorua, or you have similar adventures, or if you've stayed in similar hotel chain like what we had here, tell me in the comments, all right? Thank you so much, and see you. Bye.